Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today to share with you 3 tips to get your emails open. If you are an email marketer or someone who has a product or service that is looking to build that know, like, and trust through email marketing, then you definitely want to listen to these 3 tips that I have for you today. Okay, so of course, using email marketing is definitely a great way to promote your product, your service, your business, your brand. Okay. But guess what? Your emails need to stand out. All right. And so here are 3 tips that I'll be sharing with you for effective marketing. Okay. And it's first off, you want to make sure you do some research, okay, before you decide to create your first email, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is, one second, why is my slide? There it is. Okay. Basically the first thing I want you to do is to determine who is your target market. Okay. And so I'm a baby boomer. Okay. My husband and I, we own TJ and TJ Insurance Agency. And so who am I looking to target? I'm looking to target people that's just like me, who are going to be retiring in just a few more years. Okay. And the way I'm going to reach out to them is through, relating to them with the fact that not only do you want to have just your Social Security as a form of retirement income when you retire, but you want to have more than one stream of income. Okay. And so I'm going to target those baby boomers who are looking to retire and have more than one stream of income so they can continue to live the life they're used to and accustomed to. And so that's the first tip. Know who you are targeting, okay? Is it just the baby boomers that are women or men? I'm more so looking for those just like me, who work a full-time job, trying to do something on the side to make some passive income, through email marketing. So if that's you, definitely I'll be targeting you. So that's what you need to determine. Number 2 is, did you deliver your bait? Okay, that's the second tip. When the way that your bait is first off, it's either your ebook that you're going to be sharing, it's a video that you may be sharing, it's a course, a chapter of a book, whatever that thing is. Okay, that is something that when you get that person's name and email address, you will definitely need to deliver that content to them. Now, from there on, that's how you start building that know, like, and trust, because you're going to continue providing value to them. Okay. And so, for example, with the insurance agency, I'm going to be talking to them about my bait basically is giving them the 30 days expense tracking report so that they can track their daily expenses, because a lot of time people feel like, I really don't have enough money, to get insurance. All right. And so this is the way for them to see where their money is really going, and so that is what I would use. Like, hey, take advantage of this free expense tracking report so that you can track your expenses, so that you can see what's going on with your finances, so that you can get the things that you really need to get, and know that you already have the money to do that. All right. And so that's what you want to do. Make sure you deliver what it is. So I'll have an attachment, to that for them to download. Okay. And then of course I'll continue to build know, like, and trust as I send, different emails out to them in the meantime. Okay. The third thing is stick and move, baby. Okay. So what I mean by that is go ahead on and tell them what you're going to tell them, and then tell them what you told them. Okay. All in a few sentences. Okay. You put the headline, hey, here's your free expense tracking report. Okay. And then you would definitely want to, this is live. Okay. And so, phone's going to ring, if you don't turn your phone off or whatever, and I'm not going to restart my video just because my phone rung in the midst of this. Okay. I'm going to keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving. All right. And so anyway, so what you want to do is definitely make sure that you give the people what they want, okay? And you don't make the email some long drawn out process, okay? Because most people they really don't have the time to sit there and read through a whole lot of stuff. A beautiful thing that you could do is just make a little short video, and include that in there, if you want to. But bottom line, just stick and move, okay? Give them what you said you were going to give them, and just keep it moving. All right. And so the next day you can send them another short email introducing yourself, why you started your business, whatever those different things are. So those are the 3 tips that I wanted to share with you on today. Know who your target market is. Go ahead on and get started today. All right. By visiting my YouTube channel. Okay. And if you visit my YouTube channel, definitely I want you to subscribe and I want you to like. And on there, you'll see some shorts where I am definitely sticking and moving, okay, with some chit chat cash. All you will find on there is a playlist where each day I am giving you a email subject headline to use in your email autoresponder to increase your sales and profits. Okay, so I'm Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with a email marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue. Enjoy the rest of the day. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment on what you're gonna do.